So now, Seshadri, you tell us about one of the rarest of rare syzygium, unusual syzygium of our country and Karnataka as well as South India.
Extremely rare. This tree is extremely rare, and it grows like in about this kind of soil depths. You know, you can see the soil depth is
shallow
very
soil.
Less, and this place is wind beaten. It's a very hard place for any tree to survive. So you might get confused with these leaves and ochna, but
that ochna type of green is there, no?
Yes,
some kind of type of green.
The texture is kind of ochna. Underside is also a little bit like ochna, but ochna is a little bit bluish green. And this leaf is much broader, and the venation, see, it's very peculiar. And you look at this intramarginal. Look at this intramarginal here.
Wait.
This is very typical of the Syzygium genus leaves.
Okay.
And one more thing what you can do is, you can just tear up a bit of it, you smell it. So it's perfectly like a Syzygium. It's perfectly like a
Syzygium smell is there.
Yes, Syzygium smell is there. Very, very, very.
Leaves are big and simple
but
shape.
The bark simply does not look like a Syzygium bark. This looks more like a kind of a Mimicillin kind of a
Some
bark.
of the Bauhinia also have this type of
linear
linear fissures.
vertical fissures. Small.
So bark is unlike the rest of the Syzygium. And then smell is Syzygium like.
Yes, perfect.
Leaf also, you can't exactly call it Syzygium by looking at it at first glance.
But if you look at this particular feature here,
Wait.
Do you see the kind of valley here?
This one.
Yeah, this is typical of Nerala.
Syzygium.
Syzygium.
That is.
And this redishness on the petiole is also kind of indicative of Syzygium. This redishness.
Okay.
And the smell is truly
Syzygium like.
And again, look at this beautiful. This is a very rare occurrence. The vein is split. Just this crazy. Yeah.
All leaves are not having that.
No.
This one leaf. Okay, so.
And yes, the taste is also, it has a certain astringent taste. And
this is endangered.
Really endangered.
Highly endangered, endemic.
And although it is the season now, we are supposed to at least see one or two flowers. I mean, at least something fall on the ground at least. But I'm not able to see anything.
So, do you think this is one tree or numerous, one clump of 10, 20?
Cluster of trees, because when the seed falls, usually Syzygium seeds, if you germinate one seed, you get 2 to 3 or even more than 3 saplings from one seed. So probably a bear or some animal has dropped a few seeds.
Bunch of them.
And they have grown gregariously. And from whatever observation I've made of this tree, I'm always finding it that it is always gregarious, you know, in the sense that they grow in groups. They are kind of, this appears to be a social creature.
Social tree.
So they need a lot of company of
their own kind.
Taste is very, very Syzygium taste.
And according to the books, it is occurring mainly in one district in Andhra, that Kadapa or somewhere. Kadapa district. However, around Bangalore also it is there.
Yeah.
And it is rare, so it is worth preserving.
Absolutely.
Alva?
Absolutely. This is probably not even noticed by the people who are scouting around for IUCN or any of these bodies. That kind of, who are trying to figure out what is rare, what do you conserve, what do you put on the red list. So I think this guy is like one top red list species.
Okay,
I'm really sure about this.
This is the rarest of rare. And then underneath, these are all, do you think they are coming from the same root stock, or these are independent plants?
I don't think they grow from roots. They are probably independently growing from the fallen fruits. And
it is fireproof also.
Yeah, it has to be fireproof.
It has to be fireproof.
So this whole place is a totally fire-beaten place.
And beer bottle proof also.
Beer bottle also proof, I think.
Because all beer bottles are there, it is managing.
They don't throw the plastic bottles, it aggravates the fire.
Plastic bottles aggravate fire, no? Very important. It will inflame further.
Especially if you ruin the base, the whole tree slowly dies back, and you know. Then
so one more reason for avoiding plastic in this kind of places. So that is about Syzygium
alternifolium.
Alternifolium.